welcome back to my channel. So my name is Cynthia, welcome if you are new here. We have finally got to the June Look Fantastic Beauty Box unboxing, and that means that we are already halfway through 2019, which is absolutely ridiculous. I mean, it feels like so much time has passed, yet not much has really happened. I mean, so yeah, we finally reached the month of June, which means a summer is here, and it means it's almost time for me to go on holiday. I'm going away to Croatia towards the end of June, so really excited about June, and I'm really excited about this month's Look Fantastic Beauty Box, because as you can see, the design of the front of the box is a map of the whole world. So that kind of hints something, and I kind of remember when I was unboxing last month's beauty box that the theme might be something to do with around the world beauty. Inside this month's Look Fantastic Beauty Box, the quote on the lid we have here is "Travel makes us all storytellers." Very true. And then we have, as usual, the Look Fantastic Beauty Box magazine, which I sometimes refer to so that I can see what the products are inside and what I can basically do with them. And obviously your complimentary Elle magazine for the month. On the front cover we have Georgia Smith, and I'm actually seeing Georgia Smith next week at Field Day Festival. So yeah, really exciting. So let's take a look at the contents inside this month's beauty box. Worst bit, hate ripping that sticker, as you guys will know if you've watched my previous videos. So this is the contents of the Look Fantastic box for June. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to refer to this magazine, but I'm quickly going to read a little bit more about the theme. So the Look Fantastic Beauty Box has an incredibly diverse and global community, a community that we wanted to celebrate with our Around the World edition, hence the design on the front of the beauty box. Whether you're planning to journey into the unknown or wish to celebrate the region that you call home, we're celebrating the diversity and scope of beauty. In this month's beauty box, we're introducing you to some of the world's best beauty products and allowing you to discover something that you may not have tried before. Our monthly magazine is exploring the expansive world of beauty, from sharing where our subscribers are based to a new global beauty trend. In this issue, we're helping you to prepare for any trips away with our travel bag packing list. And if you're still undecided on a holiday destination, we've compiled a selection of our ultimate spa destinations. Ooh, very nice. And as always, a sneak peek on the back. So next month's sneak peek is the Elemis Hydra Balance Day Cream. I love Elemis, what a luxurious brand. And this day cream is worth £19, so you don't want to miss next month's beauty box. Also, I just quickly wanted to mention that if you guys do decide that you want to subscribe to Look Fantastic monthly beauty boxes, then if you are a new subscriber and you sign up to a free 6 or 12 month beauty box subscription and you use my code CynthiaBB, I'm going to leave that up on screen, then you actually get a free gift. And the free gift that you'll get is a sample of the Kerastars Soleil Ban Cheveux. Now, I haven't actually got it to show you here, but I'll leave it up on screen so that you get the gist of what it is. But yeah, I'll leave the code down below, I'll leave all the links down below if you guys do decide by the end of this video that you actually want to subscribe. But anyway, let's get stuck into the contents of this month's beauty box. Now, first thing that I've picked up is this little sample here. It's the Filorga Lift Structure Creme Ultra Liftant. Now, I'm going to refer to the magazine. This is where it comes in handy because I'm not too sure what this product does. So it says here that formulated with active ingredients to deliver visible effects, collagen and hyaluronic acid work together to visibly reduce signs of aging. Created by a leading French dermatology clinic, Filorga is focused on creating skincare solutions directly inspired by non-surgical anti-aging procedures. Expect visibly tighter and plumper skin with restored firmness in just 7 days. So that will be exciting to use. And it says here that you should use it every morning and every evening, massaging into the face and décolletage. So yeah, and there's quite a fair little bit of a sample there, 7 mils. So yeah, there's enough there for that 7-day use, just to see if there's any results. And yeah, it's also worth £9.10. Next up, we have this rather interesting bar of soap, but it's not just any old bar of soap. It's from the brand ENQUIRIES, and it's a pure Greek olive traditional soap olive blossom. So let's find out a little bit. Don't really want to quite open it yet. It's got quite a nice smell to it. So it says here that it's worth £5, and it says enjoy a refreshing cleanse with this traditional Greek soap bar, historic beauty rituals of Cretan women, formulated with natural ingredients. Elevate your daily cleansing routine with this multi-use soap. So I guess you can use it as like a face cleanser and all body sort of thing. Suitable for all skin types, excellent because I actually suffer with eczema, so I don't know if this is going to make me flare up or anything, but it says here that it's suitable for all skin types. These soaps are 98% natural, brilliant, okay, and which did you receive? So, oh, okay, so there's different ones, so you can either get the chamomile, pomegranate, or olive and blossom, and I've got the olive and blossom for the month, so looking forward to using that. Okay, so next up we have a little mini sample of the Bumble and Bumble Surf Spray. So this is a salt spray. I've heard of this brand before, and I've tried their like thickening spray, and I think it says here that you can either get the Thickening Go Big treatment or the Surf spray. So I'm really looking forward to using that. It's worth £2.40, and basically it's just so that you can give your hair a it's just so that you can give your hair more of like that sort of beachy look, you know, where it's sort of naturally curly because of the salt from the sea. So it says here, apply wet or dry. This surf spray adds body and texture to fine hair. And yes, I have fine hair, so I'm looking forward to using this and probably bringing it on holiday with me so that I, you know, get that sort of beach wave look. Probably not, I'm being a bit too optimistic, but I am looking forward to trying this. And yeah, you do get quite a small little sample, which I was quite surprised about. I thought you might have maybe got like a full-size one, because even the full-size versions, they're not that big. So, yeah, just a shame. I wish there was a little bit more of that product, because I feel like I'm going to like it. Okay, so up next we have this product, and this product is from the brand SVR. It's a Topolize can't read this. It's got hyaluronic acid in it and omega-3 6 and 9. It's for irritated eyelids, anti-itching soothing cream. Ooh, that's quite different. I wasn't quite expecting that. I just assumed it might be some sort of like a moisturiser. I'm gonna have this, yeah. So this is when the Look Fantastic Beauty Box magazine comes in handy yet again, because I have no clue what this product does. Anyway, so it says here, yeah, I mean, I can't pronounce the brand's name. I'm not even going to try and embarrass myself again to try and do it. But anyway, this product is worth £15. It says here that it's calm and smooth, sensitive and itchy eyes with this gentle treatment for dry and easily irritated skin. With clinically proven effectiveness, this French eye cream delivers 24-hour hydration, immediately relieving any discomfort, created to soothe, reduce redness and irritation, moisturise the delicate eye area and protect against external aggressors. This eye cream addresses a wide range of concerns. Okay, so it's a glorified eye cream in another sense. It says here to apply morning and evening to the eyelids and eye contour. Okay, interesting. So I'm looking forward to using that, because I do get a lot of itchy eyes, especially when I'm quite tired and my body hasn't had that much rest the night before. I do find myself getting really itchy eyelids. So yeah, actually really good product there, and I'm looking forward to actually trying this out. You do get quite a fair bit. There's 15 mils there, so yeah, looking forward to trying that out. Okay, so next up we actually have, where is it? Found it. Next up we actually have last month's sneak peek. So I wasn't expecting it to be this small, but it's the Effect Egf Serum for improved appearance of skin. Now there's a really small little sample of it here, so it must be quite an expensive product. So it says here that it's actually worth £25. So this little amount of product here is worth £25. So give skin a new lease of life with a serum from groundbreaking Icelandic brand BioEffect. Using a plant-based replica of EGF, a naturally occurring human protein, this serum acts as an anti-aging treatment by reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles whilst boosting radiance, quick absorbing. This serum deeply moisturises and rehydrates. 100% vegan, this mask delivers... Mask? I thought it was a serum. This mask delivers results in under 10 minutes. So I find that quite hard to believe. In under 10 minutes you're going to see some immediate results of your fine lines and wrinkles going. But I mean, it's worth quite a lot, so maybe that's what the link is towards the price. It says here, an editor's tip is to, a small amount goes a long way. With this powerful serum, we suggest using a pea-sized amount for the best results. Okay, so that's why there's quite only a little bit of a sample, because you don't actually need that much with this. So I'm looking forward to testing that out later when I take my makeup off and just before I go to bed. Okay, and last but not least, this is from a brand that I have never heard of before. It's E-Cooking, I think, and it says no panic if skin turns red, it works. Add moisturiser after. It is a peeling mask and it comes in this little pot here. So this is the E-Cooking peeling mask and it's worth £11.10. So maintain your skin's youthful appearance with this peeling mask from Danish skincare brand E-Cooking. Utilising AHAs, including lactic, salicylic and glycolic acid. This mask buffs away dead skin cells to reveal a radiant and glowing complexion. 100% vegan, this mask delivers results in under 10 minutes. So another one with results in under 10 minutes. So yeah, it says due to the concentration of AHAs, this mask should tingle upon application. This means it's working. We suggest using this in the evening for best results. So I'm probably going to test this out as well along with that BioEffect serum straight after this video when I take off my makeup. Yeah, looking forward to using it. I mean, there's quite a fair bit there as well. There's 15ml sample. So yeah, very interesting. So guys, that is everything inside this month's Look Fantastic beauty box, and what a beauty box it was. I mean, we've had products from all around the world. We've had products from France, Denmark, Iceland, where else was there? Bumble and Bumble from America, and then we also had another product from Greece. So yeah, we've literally had an array of products from around the world, and I'm really, really excited to try out all of the products inside this month's box. I've only actually heard of 2 of the brands from the 6 that were included in this month's beauty box. So I'm learning about beauty from around the world, and you guys are too. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And also, if you do decide that you want to subscribe to Look Fantastic beauty box, it's free 6 or 12 months, then you'll receive a free gift. Just use the code CynthiaBB at checkout in all capitals. I'll leave everything linked down below so it's easy for you guys to access, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So thanks so much for watching. Bye.